I usually start my day when the sun rises. Sometimes I get up earlier and sometimes later. The first thing I always do is make myself a cup of chai tea. There must be as many different morning routines as there are people, but I like to start mine really slow and peacefully. This year I've started a new habit of writing in my journal right when I wake up. I usually write 5 things I'm grateful for, and it's made such a difference in my mood in the morning. Prior to starting this, I was often very grouchy when I woke up, but I feel like this practice has reset my mind to be grateful and positive right when I wake up. My daughter usually wakes up shortly after I do, and we often chat in bed or read together for a while. It's a nice way to start the day with connection. She's very independent and usually doesn't want my help in the mornings. Maybe this is a preteen thing, so most of the time I let her do her thing before school and stay out of her way, and this works for us right now. I like to check my calendar first thing for any appointments or tasks that I need to get done that day. And then I finally get out of bed and look out the window to see what the weather is like. Today, like many days this spring, it's very rainy. I like to maximize the sunshine, or at least the light in our house in the mornings. So I go around opening all the window shades. It's so important to me to get light in the house. It helps wake us up even on a rainy, gray day. I also like to make my bed right in the morning. It's a little accomplishment to start the day. Lately, I've been having the same breakfast every day. Oatmeal with nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, and usually some sort of fruit. It's filling, hearty, and so easy. And it's the perfect, cozy spring morning meal. I usually do some reading while I eat breakfast. I try to stay away from my phone most of the morning because I find that if I do grab it or use social media, I'm distracted all morning and sometimes all day. The more I avoid it, the better my morning goes. Next, I usually change into some exercise clothes and clean up the kitchen from breakfast. I feel like the kitchen needs tidied before I can go about my day. Then I try to do some exercise. For the past few years, I've been lifting weights. When I was younger, my goal was always to be thinner, smaller, but now that I'm in my 40s, I just want to be strong and healthy. I like that lifting weights forces me to be in the moment. I'm in the moment because if I get distracted, I may drop 20 pounds on my toe, and that's not safe. After lifting weights, I always do a little stretching as well. I think strength and flexibility are super important at any age. After working out, I take a shower and get ready for the day. And while I'm in the bathroom, I do my little cleaning routine. Mostly, I just wipe down the sink and the toilet. I feel like doing a little something every day keeps the mess and dirt much more manageable. And finally, I always like to get out for a walk in the mornings. I used to listen to audiobooks or podcasts on my walks, but now I treat it more like a peaceful time to be with my thoughts. I notice so much more when I'm walking with no distractions. What flowers are blooming, the birds chirping. It's so much more peaceful. And I think that's my goal in the mornings, to be undistracted, in the moment, and peaceful. I hope you have a peaceful, beautiful morning and day as well. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.